This is what my hair looks like before the washing style. And this is what my hair looks like after the washing style. I wash my hair different than a lot of people. Us wavers do not wash our hair the way you do. Just shampoo and rinse. No. We go about it a whole different aspect and process. I'm going to teach you how to do it, how exactly I do it, and y'all stay tuned for the results. It's lovely. Without further ado, first and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first I'm going to show you what I'm looking like, then we're going to prep the hair for the wash and get ready. Not bad, but you know you always got to wash your hair, you know, and keep it up with your hair health, hair maintenance. You know, I wash like 2 or 3 times a week, but I'm going to show y'all exactly what I do. In today's video, we will be using the Argan Oil Morocco shampoo. This can be found at Walmart, Target, wherever. Fire has a lot of soap proteins and benefits that my hair likes. What works for me may not work for you, but this is what I'm using. I'll be using that. I'll be using the Torino Pro washing style brush. Link for this will also be in the description. It's a wash brush, does not get affected by water, does not change by water. Okay, cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's prep the hair and get it wet already. We got the hair all washed, wet, clean, ready to apply the soap. Now let's apply our soap. That's all I need. I don't even need that much. Apply it all over our hair in waves. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got it all in, we're going to grab our brush and start brushing the soap the way my pattern goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was very therapeutic. We got all the soap laid down on our hair. Now I'm going to do is rub over my waves to flatten out my hair to make it better lay in compression when I go to rinse out the soap. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's grab our mesh do-rag. It has holes in it. This will allow the water and the soap to easily come out. Yes, I am going to put my do-rag on with the soap on, then rinse it out while this is on. This is the key. Do not take this off until completely dry. This will determine lay, shine, and everything else. Warning. Now that we have the rag on, we are going to rinse out with cool, cold water. And I will once again not take it off until the do-rag is completely dry. We will come back with the results after it's dry and let me know what y'all think. YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I let the hair completely dry. I've touched nothing. I did nothing. Let it, sit. And now let's get ready for the results. I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, that came out very, very, very good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you like today's video, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing down below. Thank you all, and may God bless. I'll catch you in the next one.